Hi, this is Melissa from Resilience Law. I'm answering your questions today about Social Security disability. I'm a Social Security lawyer based in Massachusetts, helping folks throughout the country get on disability benefits. So today my question is for a CE, a consultative examination, will the doctor take into consideration the diagnoses and symptoms that my other doctors offer or recommend? And the answer is kind of. A CE doctor typically gets some amount of your medical records. They may get many of them, they may get only a few, and they do evaluate your past medical records. However, the CE doctor is going to make their own determination about your claim. So if you have a doctor that says you have X, Y, and Z conditions, the consultative examination doctor will look at why that doctor made that decision, if there's lab results, if it was an in-person examination that revealed them, and then they will make their own medical diagnosis and their own medical determination as to what conditions you deal with and what your symptoms are regarding those conditions. So for some things, such as a rotator cuff tear, if they look at the MRI report, two doctors will have the same opinion by and large. For things that are more difficult to image or more difficult to explain, such as depression, anxiety, other mental disorders, or so-called invisible diseases like rheumatoid not RA. RA has testable things to it, but like fibromyalgia or chronic regional pain syndrome, where different doctors may have different diagnoses criteria, you may come up with a consultative examination doctor who's offering a totally different opinion than your providers. So that's why it is important, if possible, to have multiple providers on your side. So if you have multiple conditions, talk to the specialist and talk to your primary care doctor. Talk to anybody who'll listen about what your symptoms are, what your conditions are, so you can build that mountain of evidence that you need to win your Social Security claim with the medical evidence on your side from your treating physicians who know you, versus this one oddball consultative exam doctor who sees you for 5 minutes and may come up with totally different diagnoses for you. So the answer, yes and no. A consultative exam doctor has to take your doctor's opinions into consideration. They'll look at them, they'll consider them, but they may or may not come to the same conclusions. If you have questions about your Social Security claim, let me know. My name is Melissa here at Resilience Law. Drop them in the comments, give me a call, text me. I'm very happy and very available to answer your questions. Thank you, and let's get started.